Hey guys, welcome to Ruthy's Reading Room. I'm Ruthy, and here's my friend Jaw, ready and eager to share a story with you today. How's everyone doing? Good? Are we ready for a story? Let's see. What's our checklist? Does everyone have their buddy with them already? A little stuffy? Or maybe a friend? Not yet? Okay. I'll always give you a moment to run and get your friend and come on back. Okay, Jaw, are you ready? Are our friends ready out there? I hope so. Now, can anyone see a little bit of a color theme going on today? I'm wearing pink, and I have my pink friends with me. Does anyone know what day it is? Valentine's Day, that's right. And in honor of Valentine's Day, let's see which book is coming off the shelf next. What do you think the theme is going to be? That's right. Something about love and Valentine's Day. Let's see. Oh, Jaw's got it. Oh, let's help him. Okay. Thank you, Jaw. That must have been really heavy. Yeah, it was. What are we reading today? It's called Here Comes Valentine Cat. I know it's covered because this is the book I borrowed from the library. It's written by Deborah Underwood, and the pictures are by Claudia Ruda. We need to make sure you're ready to listen to the story. All right, let's put our listening ears on and put our hands in our lap. Perfect. Such good boys and girls out there. But I'm still going to check with my trusty magnifying glass just to make sure. All right, let's look through the magnifying glass. Okay. Oh, I see everyone sitting so nicely. That means we are ready to start. Hey, Kat, any Valentine's Day plans? This is a no Valentine's zone. Why don't you like Valentine's Day, Kat? Valentine's Day doesn't have to be all mushy. Why don't you make a Valentine for a friend? Your stuffed squid? Yes, I'm sure Squiddy would like a Valentine. But maybe someone who isn't a stuffed animal? Can you think of anyone to make a Valentine for? Can you? Yeah, maybe Mommy would like one. Or Daddy, for sure. Your friend Patrick? Aw, that would be really nice. I'm sure he'd love that. Let's see if Kat can think of anyone to make a Valentine for. Nobody at all? Aw, Kat. Awoo! My goodness, who's that? Oh, your new neighbor. Have you met him yet? I know he's a dog. Maybe he's a nice dog. Hey, why don't you make Dog a Valentine to welcome him to the neighborhood? Oh, I don't think Kat is agreeing with that. Kat, look out! You see the bone? Bonked him on the head. Did Dog throw that? That might not be the best way to get to know each other. He's thrown lots of bones over the fence. I wonder why. You're a dog. Why would you throw a bone over the fence? Don't you like those? Yeah, that's strange. Maybe we'll find out. You think he's mean? But you've never met him. Aren't you jumping to conclusions? Jaw says, yeah, dogs aren't mean, are they? Yikes. Uh-oh. Looks like a ball came over this time. Cat, what are you up to? You are going to give dog a Valentine? That's nice. Oh dear. Where is Cat going? What does it say? See, it says dog on there. Roses are red, violets are blue. Who's the worst neighbor? I think it's you. Cat. That's not exactly what I had in mind. I think Cat tried again. Violets are blue, roses are red. Stop throwing garbage onto my head. Absolutely not. Woo! Wow, he is kind of loud, isn't he? Oh, got headphones. Cat, hey, over here, Cat. What do you have there? What's in the wagon, I wonder? You're building a rocket? Why? You can't send dog to the moon. Cat, do you hear me? Oh, good grief. Headphones back on. Or, oh dear, Cat is working hard on that rocket. Hey, something landed on top of your rocket. You see that? It says Cat. Let's see what that one says. It's getting it off the rocket. It's a Valentine. What does it say? Just holding it. Let's see. Dear Cat, happy Valentine's Day. I hope we can be friends. Dog. P.S. Did you like the ball? It was my favorite. Oh my Cat. It looks like the ball was a gift. Yep, and I'll bet those bones were, yeah, gifts as well. Gee, Cat, do you think dog was howling because he's, what do you think? Lonely? Aw, Cat, it's not too late to be his friend. Josh says, yeah, we want to be friends. You have an idea? Let's see what Cat's idea is this time. Another Valentine? What does it say? Roses are red, violets are blue, dogs are annoying. What? I thought we were going for a nicer message this time, Cat. Except for you. Oh, phew. Cat, you are full of surprises. Happy Valentine's Day. What? Giving dog the Valentine. The end. Oh, that was close. I was thinking, oh no, Cat has not learned that dog was just trying to be friendly. In the end, Cat made a beautiful Valentine's Day card for dog. And hopefully they'll be friends from now on. Don't you think? So while we were reading, did you think of anyone you can make a Valentine's Day card for? Or maybe you can just say Happy Valentine's Day to all your friends and give big hugs and just find a way to show someone you care. I think that's a good idea. Yes, and show your dog you care too. Thanks for joining me in Ruthy's reading room to share this special Valentine's Day book. I hope you all have a beautiful, loving, fun-filled Valentine's Day, and join me again soon. And remember, the best place to read is wherever you are with a book. Bye. Bye, guys. See you next time.
Ruthy's read it.